Alright friends, we have made it to the ultimate firelink explosion with the monkey that throws the fireballs down. So we're gonna see how we do on that. We've got our ticket in from our last game at 351.12. And what do you want to start with?
I don't know, which denom?
Let's start with 2 cents.
Okay.
And what is that, $1.50?
$1.50.
Alright, let's just low roll and see if we can get lucky. Because this monkey's not always the nicest. I'm gonna cut off the credits, hold on. Okay. We need 3 treasure chests in the middle, 3 reels, or 4, 2 more? Oh, that was so ugly. And those are wilds. Okay. Actually, we need to be here to do...
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so we're going to increase the bet to $3. We need 3 of those in the middle 3 reels. Do a few more spins on here, see if we can get lucky. If not, we're going to change denominations. Do 1 more. Come on, monkey. Alright, let's see. What is that?
$3.
Alright, let's switch to 5 cent $3 bet. Wilds are in the wrong place. Okay.
Almost your money back.
Almost. Come on, monkey. I had real good luck on this the very first time I played it, and nothing since.
Well, maybe the monkey will be nice to us this time.
Come on, monkey. Alright, last bet on this one. Alright, let's go to pennies. We'll do a couple of 375. Come on.
Can't get more than 1 or 2 fireballs.
I know. There's something.
There you go.
It's $24.
$24.
Alright. A little bit of extra.
Bonus.
What do we start with? 302?
No, we started with 350.
350. Okay. Alright, monkey, throw some balls down.
Alright, let's go, monkey.
Can you do it?
There we go. Let's try it.
See if Lorenzo's got the magic touch.
I doubt it.
Because I do not. 250?
If you would throw more than 1 ball, maybe. Alright, let's see. Oh, I actually got a win.
875?
I'll give it
Nice.
another chance. I just wanted to see what it's going to be at dimes. $6, no?
No, we can do, oh yeah, $6.
I want to go back to Memphis and see.
Okay. Almost down $100.
Want to go back to pennies?
What's up to you?
225.
Well, to be eligible, you gotta be 375.
Alright, it's going quick on this one.
2 chests. That's the most we've gotten so far. 2 more. We can't get that lucky.
Nothing. See if we can
Come
get
on,
it
monkey,
all
help us
without-
out. There's a little something.
Oh no, that was $10. That was 11. That's 2 cents amount.
Yeah.
Just thinking about it. Alright. Might be a quick one.
So we play down to 200
Yeah.
since it doesn't seem to be paying out. Money back. Plus a little bit. Come on, 2 more.
Hey, $18.
Nice. Keeps us going.
Keeps it going.
Hey.
It's $12.
Yeah.
Hey, if they want to give me that every spin, I'll take it.
Come on, monkey. What you throw 4 down?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Oh, it's not 5 of a kind though.
It's $10. Alright, it's bonus time.
Ah, come on. All right, 1 more. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Oh, he's not a very nice monkey.
Oh, he was nice. He gave 3, but the game didn't give anything beyond that. Alright, almost done.
Yeah, we're not gonna give this one anymore.
We got, what, 2 more spins?
Yep. Magic. Of course not. All right, last one. All right, well, the monkey wasn't nice to us, so we're gonna take our loss and we're gonna cash out with $200. Thanks for watching.